technology. Nah, make them set we up. Technology set away. Believe me, we have to get away. Hey, me ask who's calling me from an unknown number.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So you already know when I come like looking like this crazy, you know what kind of video it is? AfSister video. I love AfSister. You guys know I always come with the quick and easy, amazing hair quality videos. AfSister is my favorite hair company thus far. Oh, also I have a tan on my forehead, so don't even pay attention to that. But we're gonna unbox this so you guys can see this new wig. It's a Bob wig, so I'm excited about this. Hopefully I don't have to cut it. I forgot what length it was, but I'm just gonna show you guys. This is their Invisible Knot Wig. That's basically what they have at the moment. Like, they're really trying to improve their quality every single time, so they're only gonna have their invisible knot. So that means that it's only one knot at the front, so it's not double knotted. It's very seamless and it blends into your scalp properly. So the packaging look like this. At this point, you guys should know, because I'm always doing a video like every other week of this hair company, but I'm so excited. So it's short. I can already see how short it is. So I did get a wig cap in here, and I'm gonna, ooh, I'm too excited. So I'm just gonna take the wig out of the net. Ooh, yes. It's a little choppy, but it's a blunt cut, so yeah. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the inside construction of this wig. Okay guys, so this is how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with these adjustable bands that you can remove. And also I wanted to show you the knots of this wig. This is how the knots look. Very, very seamless. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation color inside of the lace, and then I'm gonna cut the ear tabs. I'm gonna do all of this on camera because it's just like me installing this Bob wig, but this is beautiful. I think all I'm gonna do to it is kind of press it out a little bit, but I'm just gonna turn my flat iron and my hot comb on, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I'm going to give you a little bit of specs on this wig. This wig is an 18-inch or a 10-inch. I think it's a, not 18, what am I saying? This is an 8-inch or a 10-inch. I'm not sure which length it is. I think it's an 8-inch. But anyways, this wig is $94.99 and you get free shipping. I did all the calculations for you, and that price is for the 18-inch. But this wig is mad affordable and it's mad beautiful, and it does not even shed. This is a side part wig. Just keep in mind that it is like a side part type of wig, so it's cut to layer as a side part. You can part anywhere on it, like you can see right here, you could part anywhere, but it is cut to the side part area. So if you're gonna wear a middle part, you might want to trim it just a little tiny bit, just so everything can look pretty. Right here, I'm just adding in my foundation. This is my Ruby Kisses foundation in the number 14. I love this. It matches my skin perfectly. As you can see right here, it's really melted. I did go ahead and tighten the straps inside of the wig to show you guys that you could wear this glueless. I'm just going to cut the lace off and show you that you do not even need to put spray or any adhesive to this wig. You literally can wear it straight out the box. This is what I love about AfSister. They make their wigs where you can wear them straight out of the packaging. Like, so right here you can see this is it without any glue, without anything. You could wear it just like this, or you have an option of gluing it down or doing like how I do with the Got2b spray. So you can use Got2b spray or spritz or Got2b gel. I'm just using the spray because I just put some water and then it lifts up. So that's all I'm doing right here. And just blow that for it to get tacky. I love doing this method because it's so easy. But then again, just keep in mind in the summertime, if you sweat, the wig will lift up. But you see how it looks seamless. So even if it lifts up, it's not going to be like noticeable because the wig is already made to be glueless. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just sticking it down. I'm going to play around with the baby hairs, play around with everything, and look how lovely this looks. Like, I just be obsessed. Like, when it comes to AfSister, I be obsessed with these wigs. So I'm showing you the back. This is how it's layered. So I really think that it's an 8-inch because it's layered as an 8-inch. I'm using my flat iron. This is from Babyliss Nano Pro. It's the 1.5-inch flat iron. this was a quick video. So right now we're finished. I'm just showing you how much body and movement this hair has. Tell me if you guys love this video, if you want to try this hair, because this hair is bomb for the summertime. I love short hair in the summertime.
Technology. Nah, make them set we up. Technology set away. We have to get away. Hey, me ask who's calling me from an unknown number.